Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is day 26 of doing an average of 5 every day until I beat my personal best. So without further ado, let's go out the souls. After the 5 souls, my average came out to 1150, which is just around average for me. Anyways, here's the leaderboard after day 26, with the top 3 singles being 8.28 from day 24, 9.07 from day 16, and 9.13 from day 14, and the top 3 averages being 10.53 from day 21, 10.82 from day 24, and 10.92 from day 1. Anyways, that's it for me. I do have a competition tomorrow, so I might not be able to post, but I'll try to post if I can. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.